I'm Chris Whitehurst, and this is the Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate. Each episode, I tackle a different term or trick to teach and guide you through the journey of real estate. Go ahead and subscribe and ring the notifications bell. There's a new one of these each week. This is episode 74, and we're talking about improvements. If you follow my blog and videos, you know that I talk about owning a property from the top of the sky to the core of the earth and everything in between. Anything attached to that property is considered an improvement and conveys, which means it goes with the sale of the property. Examples would be the obvious, such as home or buildings, but also driveway, landscaping, and any other personal property that has been permanently attached to the property. The lines get a little blurry when we're talking about pools, spas, hot tubs, shelving, and other items. When your real estate pro tours your property for a listing presentation, make sure you ask questions about specific items you are unsure of. If you like these videos, there's more of them along with a ton of other great content on my website at chriswhitehurst.com. You can also check me out on Facebook, YouTube, and other popular social media sites. Be sure to like and subscribe so that you can stay plugged in and updated on all things real estate. Until next time, I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.